Do you know the difference between saving and investing? Join me as I tackle the challenge of mastering the 10 essential financial basics every beginner should know. Managing your finances can seem overwhelming, but having a solid foundation in financial literacy is crucial for making informed decisions about your money. Today, we're going to cover the 10 financial basics that every beginner should know. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial knowledge, this video is perfect for you. When it comes to managing finances, many beginners struggle with feelings of anxiety, uncertainty, and a lack of confidence. This is often due to a lack of understanding about how to create a budget, manage debt, and make smart investment decisions. As a result, they may find themselves stuck in a cycle of financial stress, unsure of how to break free. Additionally, the abundance of conflicting information available online can make it difficult to know where to start or who to trust. This confusion can lead to feelings of frustration and hopelessness, causing many to avoid dealing with their finances altogether. Furthermore, the fear of making mistakes can hold people back from taking control of their financial lives, leading to missed opportunities and a lack of progress. By understanding the basics of personal finance, beginners can overcome these challenges and start building a stronger financial future. Let's dive into the 10 financial basics every beginner should know. The first is budgeting, which involves creating a plan for how you want to allocate your income towards different expenses, savings, and debt repayment. The second is emergency funds, which serve as a safety net in case of unexpected expenses or job loss. The third is debt management, which includes strategies for paying off high-interest debt and avoiding new debt. The fourth is the power of compound interest, which can help your savings grow exponentially over time. The fifth is understanding credit scores and reports, which play a crucial role in determining your creditworthiness. The sixth is saving for retirement, which is essential for achieving long-term financial security. The seventh is avoiding lifestyle inflation, which occurs when your spending increases at the same rate as your income. The eighth is diversifying your income streams, which can reduce your reliance on a single source of income. The ninth is understanding the different types of investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. The 10th is setting financial goals and creating a long-term plan, which helps you stay focused and motivated on your path to financial independence. Setting financial goals is crucial for achieving success in your financial journey. By setting specific, measurable, and achievable goals, you can create a roadmap for your financial future and stay motivated to take action. Your goals may include paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a specific purchase. Having a clear plan in place can help you stay on track and make progress towards your goals. Additionally, having a long-term perspective can help you avoid getting caught up in short-term financial decisions that may not align with your overall goals. By prioritizing your goals and creating a plan, you can make intentional decisions about your money and start building the financial future you deserve. Recap the 10 financial basics covered in this video, and remember that mastering these basics is just the starting point for achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and advice. If you're just starting out on your financial journey, please share your own experiences and challenges in the comments below.